Hi, welcome to another video of Ferris Farms. This is my first voice-over video. Today, I'm going to show you some pictures that I took. We visited Dobbs Park with some friends. I liked seeing the turtles, and this one was my favorite. Its nose is super funny. These pictures were taken inside the nature center. Here were some turtles, ducks. Here were like some bones, deer straws, deer hanging on the wall, ducks. This pheasant was super cool. I really liked it. We see turkeys in our field sometimes. These hides were so soft. I never seen a wild hog, but they do a bunch of damage to your field. They also had bird feeders outside so we could watch the birds. Really liked some of these birds. The snake finally popped out for us. Here is a baby snake. There is also some fish on the wall that I showed you. There's also turkey feathers, cardinals, squirrels, which are funny, and I really love this cardinal picture. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe for more of Henry and Ferris Farms videos. See you.